Hey guys, it's Meaty985 here, and if you can see, I made a bunch of changes since last time, which was just yesterday. I put on the starter generator. It's already dirty. I put on the gas tank, fuel line, battery, exhaust, and it sat for 10, 15, 20 years. So I didn't expect it to run. And when I pressed the button, well, it ran. It's out of gas, but yep, it's out of gas. It's dry as a bone. Where's the gas? Oh, the gas is in the shed. Let's go get the gas. It's like no gas. I only use high test. This time when I got it filled, my dad did it, so he probably cheaped out and got regular, but I'm hoping he didn't. Stuff doesn't run as good. Okay. Let's see. Yep. More than plenty. Oh, and the guy who rebuilt my starter, he did it for free because we're friends. And he gave me a Gates belt, which should last forever. It lasts for a while. Oh yeah, and the clutch does nothing. If you press it down, the transmission doesn't disengage and stop spinning. I don't know. It doesn't let you change gears. So you have to start it in gear, and then you have to choke it because it doesn't have a choke cable. And someone modded it to this, so you can't really turn the key because it has a button. You can't press it again either. It won't work. Okay, ready? Charge. Almost worked. It does that, but it needs a carb rebuild, I think. If I do this, no, that's not what I want to do. Yeah, slow. You can get it to run real slow, but that's how I was trying to show. If I put my fingers like this, it runs perfect. It chokes it just enough. It doesn't have a choke. I have to use this, the choke throttle, the lever itself, which is pretty annoying. I have to get all the cables, and I think I'm gonna switch back to the key. Oh shit, I forgot. Switch back to the key because I don't like have to choke it to death to turn it off, you know? Oh, no, the hood's over there like last time. And I'll keep you guys updated. Rate, subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks, bye.